3, 4, vertical. 1, 2, vertical. 3, 4, vertical. 1, 2, vertical. 3, 4, vertical. Hi guys. Good evening. Good evening, my people. Good evening, guys. What's up, my people? Please, the more you come, please chill. Chill. Effie, share me out. Share me out. Share. Yeah. Wait, before we start, my uncle go, you know what I'm talking about. Before we start, I gotta play some music. You know I love music. I love music. Hey. Just say, hey, all I say is big yellow. Hey, just say, hey, all I say is big yellow. Good evening. Oops, I gotta go watch what's on my brain. Why you alone? I could be brother, do something. Hey, don't move on me. Yes, you got it. Move like a regular. What's that kind of work? It's not very low. Just say, oh, I said it big yellow. Let me get a big out there. Oh, myself will be a big out there. Oh, myself will be a big out there. That's a deal. Looks like how you walk your son, baby. I want me your life. What am I so? Never. What am I so? Never pataka. Never. Honey, oh, wet what do? Oh, wet swag be. Oh, swag be. Oh, swag be. Ekekere ayi yaga kwa. Onion, olele wejiya. Olele jeyari wa egi jegeti efwa. Yeah, mama say we be. Ora say we be down there. Say what's like now you watch yourself, not the real. Just say, what I said is big on you. Just say, what I said is big on you. What's like now you watch yourself, not the real. Damn. Yes, I greet all of una my viewers here. Welcome to my Mwelega page. I wanna reason am now. And this page now be the second Mwelega, international Mwelega. He can't reach that brand seat that they na bonke. They we go married to Morocco. They we go married to Kokobiri. Kokobiri, they come over here. I have a topic for you guys. You know, Ogibe wa we remegbe. Ogibe remegbe. You know, because bi akawa agwa wa we are using rugwa, we using rugwa. As you see me so, by all day for my body. Thank you. Me wa we me video no wa go on a video go wetin we video go give we video when agbona my people even so kongbe understand many people them mumu die them mumu seriously Ugo come out I think yesterday he did a video yesterday that video will go do a lot of viewers una comment better comment for good yesterday and which is that video will go do. You're not supposed to do that video and that video the record will go play for that video that record na better record na record will be say una way they find hook up na record one are supposed to take wise. Do you understand? Egbe woman wow why you say it wow Ugo ladian because of a brand city we are tell or when you Estella Esther Esther abi you understand guys please if you never share make sure say you share and please share me na invite them come me answer wagbon ave u copy ave de me u copy destiny and u copy re why u copy destiny here why u copy because better woman responsible woman no go dey do hook up responsible married woman e not supposed to dey do hook up. Do you understand? Responsible woman e not supposed to dey do hook up. Why we hook up here? Amenye no isalo wa vien ya fe no. Come and marry husband when what do magwa wo here hook up gbon wa vie lele hook up here. Idiot. So that yesterday, as I see that record, I go say, this boy, so now Germany here day. I know the guy. At least now Benin boy. Now I call him yesterday, say guy. What's up? Who go they do your video? Wait till they happen. Wait till which kind of record be that one? Now the boy can't say play me this record, guys. So I go play the record for now before we start the things we want to talk about, because this record where this guy play come for me, you see they do another one. You go see call me, you understand? But the record where the guy play for me, now one play so more listen to the record before before I go start waiting I come for. You understand? Normal. The two people where I write their name for that topic, then and them now I come for. Because have a hook up. Una need to stop one for this 2021. You understand? Many people that they use until they collect that money where they no fit collect from guests where they carry from Nigeria, they come Europe. I get a mama nyashi ni yameti riegi ni yari we copy. Iyarie ugwe ukop na yarie ige mama nyashi. Anyway, let's listen.
He said a brother called Rita, who was about last week or the last 4 days. What's the mama? Rita on a
Guys, one of the year Ramabi.
He said a brother called Rita, who was about last week or the last 4 days. What's the mama? Rita on a platform. Always so you will copy the Okbia. Mama. So no bana paying 70 euro. Tiku uwadami omeo. So no bana paying 70 euro na. Nino kuna ye without no bana go junyon. Yeah, new wene. Evina, abe make body ama go jokune okwe new we no ma. Ade di need body okay I pay 70 euro ne. Rita aje me ne o. No adami omeo. Ige real life ya take call we mama. Egbemini emi enogba de no ni be su no ni wa have mu la ewebo a and after the retire me na zuozo first record the WhatsApp mama before I panic to pay we 70 euro we hook up but then ko mala be tama we wege o ma we mu go yo hu ne inyo owene edita me rita o and after me rita egbemini ema first record ya tama na ute WhatsApp we mama when I pay some tear, no quay at our again, or in the Bama go Junior, again, yeah, you went. Mamma, baby, maybe no had a mula, a whip not and ben I soon where hotel in Makinapa. And I tell ya, I am a college in new copy, always was SF, any to go cook on where. If you are time, Rita say, Rita laugh forward the first record in the last for the Gauko. Ugonaya, we a live in you. And I know good. My go or gossip. What the one now, he could yage a Facebook again. Or a gelino. Who got the one I may away live video with first record in this Rita. I go. I'm a night time away. Oh, my delete video. Oh, my delete and I have Yahweh. Retire with Saga. I mean, I do not go. Where I said the first record here. I started the first record here. Why can't we go? You're not doing me. What the nature my way a live in Joga. I took on your way, at on your way, your massy. At on your way, your massy. You want to go at delete video. No, I delete. Oswald is worried. Oh, Guapo. Ige mawe retire me deck with the 30 adio wedua. There ya where a niya. Oh, why we going to have a fair? Oh, yeah, go ya delay. No, not deck with it, with the 30 you were to walk and mayor, a family member. If oh, yeah, delay. And after I'm going to take a man, Mamoya Jami, a platform, any ma with me, yeah, near Kanapa. When no more a platform, Akpopolia, a way I feel or lack of owner. Nana. I do what day. Maugo already a course. Tamawe, eat a million no ya delete video. Oma delete retire with Saga. May facing ye, could it afford the get? We retire with Saga. Would that way when we are collecting over who cop, me die one. Even if you have to what to sign you. On me very go be uko on wa make family ya be wa igo ni yari ki family ya di be wa awa on wa giveere take alite ro ya call family ya be wa but ya do ami on dread ro ya do apology uko e tell it do ahia ni ije ere ni ikpe ama ije chebo ebu o ma no gi ibinya gi akun iwo amari o dread room no be hook up okay who the set no you know do am go je okoni wa ata mo koni wela e go ni pe no koni o e go eni mu yo bon anele hook up no o ga be gwen yanne ya we ne no bia we ne no ko yan na wa mi egbe ne ne no ko wa block ni ne edibo e o de pe ko le retire again mama go lo be ye mu me o bi de pe pa lo be ze mu ni ya ya we ne no ko ne no ma ni o be pe ya be mi egbe ne o be block e ne ne dige o be block ni ne edibo o de pe ati ko pe retire bi kwa lo be me mama e to jinya ya afun go e to jinya ya afun go. What is the difference for woman trafficking in a honey? And you get second madam, second woman trafficking. I mean, I don't go back. A matter now, you know, all said, well, every man ever on your do all do change your villa to be woman traffic. Then you copy over your chair, you have this stopping. I'm going to tell you when I know you're a yard, I know, or is the way of time in 6 hours. Now, I why in an go, I why the time 6 hours. I want a government office. When I be government office 4 hours. 5 hours, 3 hours. Oh, man, I mean, when I go to no handle at all of you, will come. And that time, go away free money. Oh, I don't know. That is free money. I'll be free money, my damn it. Nene, oh, money, I will take an in like serious. I have read the vehicle, if I perform or not return again, and I will be. Or I'm having a bit more convenient. The rubbish in only. The time go if you don't even delete, I'm a delete, Rita, Aqua, is Sagama. If you have document don't know ya, or you are very large, or very done, or when they are collective of who go away, never, or boy, every time or money yata. Who go then where I will live video pa? Eh, go set the first record today at Bian. Where's the mama in another day? Eh?
Hello guys, when I listen to that record na just one, and you go just send me the other one now for the other of my phone, but you understand? Why I'm telling my people, because if we know who ne, if we nagi low or go mula diando atawu webu, una need to tell go, me go use the head. This 2021 with the day so. You understand? Me go use the year for this 2021 with the day so. Una remember that last year, that 2020, there is a video who go did concern this Rita waiting course so Rita TV. He did a video concern this Rita, concern one man like that where be say a man na ka won ho wa ona bu Rita here a Rita Ayemie TV ona bu hona ya degbe ya gwale u copy u go la dans les platforms re u go na le saga Rita na saga mani. Una remember that video that time? Long time. Thank you. My people. Who go why be saying a bad thing way dey for social media? Now you dey pull your hand. Why? Why? This kind of people now no want to make people know it's dey inside the social media. Una no want make the problem way dey inside social media make come out. Eh? Where rudete e retire mieto always your body no you take Nigeria. Never me. You know how many people will do that job for take Nigeria? Many people they do help for Nigeria. Who no talk you come at na them plenty pass. Okay, you buy one trailer of what is they call them? Rice when they eat abi. Them the street no gaena. U go say street we abi say village in Ijweji. O wani jwe na rent o wani. O say also wani jweja. Amu ni jwe ni jwe ya. Hey salubwa. E ma so kongbe. O kwani haje ve wewi yo tedo. O kwanu gele wewi wa mo tedo, we no tedo ni gikpolo se. Una wa kokinya every month. wala diambe social media mana usi iye sagawe ama ewe we made the way are forfeit we are forfeit. We go say now so he build he buy food for Nigeria. Only one time we buy food. We go, you know the shame. You know the shame we go. Since why I know you, you know how many group chats you they do. You go do for Facebook. You go do group chat for Instagram. You go do group chat for Imo. You go do group chat for WhatsApp. We go. All the group chat where they do they know where they help in no. There's no help. No help will come out for inside the group chat. What not they do ever since. You not see the Rita waiting call where you they talk about because I cannot get any meti he pronounce new when Rita ni wa betiese or wa be seti ke wa cannot get because I cannot get ugun se webu e de no zuwa okay. How many years in when we wa beji 30 something years gen wow dear you old like a old woman what the fuck go all the group chat where you they do, which one you don't fair, which one you don't take help Nigeria? The time where the coronavirus new enter Nigeria, when you come Nigeria that time, where they come they use until the art movie, say coronavirus, virus, all the virus people for Nigeria. Ugo, I join the people where join you for the group chat that time. You know I tell you. Add your destiny. Ugo, hide your destiny. Ugo, you see, there is some fights where you need to fight to go. Not this kind of fights, okay? Add your destiny, Ugo, because you know me. You know me, Ugo. You know me. Blessed, the one way you go do last, I go come your ass there. I go tell security, make they invite you come. I go open like the video for your head. I go tell you, wait, I want tell you face to face that day. Where near? Where waiting we will go. Shut up. Yo be vaya gbanu no. On me matter eso no keke no amula dian webu. On me matter eso no keke no amula dian webu my dear. Ene group chat nene Rita Rita nene. Ene group chat nene Rita u. Oh ze abi Rita yi. Ovie morokino abi ovie kokobiri. Owie koko biri no we marry ni origo no we ade ne nekpise mugian wote Nigeria. Rita TV. Not be the help, not be comment. And inside the money so where you go see they collect on top of our brothers and sister head. Iya no meti migori ne family ani yari vai. Agaji go gwale boyfriend what the fuck. Hey brother, where ti toasty? Where ti toast who? Uwe kwami. Uhu emiamu noa. Uhu ewunu. Bia mi okwo weti to sokwo. Kwa gwa ta me wera siko wera me. O wera. Era bo waje yeko wegbinedio. Okwo ni alaki wo o mariwe. O mana like we alagali. Another one is on the way coming. Where to see? Where gwa to sokwo? Chisi. Chineke. Brosi na owe Rita Rita owe Rita yeah o yagmo wa ya userere wa wise wa men at wiseness yeah wa wise very important. And the boy now, my way be her, it no do bad. How can somebody go say they do hook up? Oh, me I do call it when you need the hook up. Who do hook up him na vielele with Obia? Them, una remember I said this kind of way they go on so Evil Water and Salt Ministry, he did a video like this kind of video. Una not remember because when you measure, are there when old people because they don't cook him. When old people hurry because they don't cook him. What you carry? You know. Water and Salt Ministry, he did a video concerning this video, that period. If you want to remember that video where Water and Salt Ministry did that time, he said, that's all he can hook up boy from Italy and one girl from Spain, from France there. He hook up them together. So the girl now no one go see the boy. So the girl wants to make the boy go pay money for a head for Nigeria. How can me go pay money for spirit? Person why I don't know. I can go pay money for a head for Nigeria. Water and Salt Ministry did a video like that. One certain time. I think he said last year. He said last year he did a video. You understand, guys? If you are born. Wa fi warrior we rubbish in wadona because if rubbish metie na I cannot bear in here. In a life, you know. If you reason this boy now, the boy not do anything bad. That occur Esther talk Esther Nenemi, Esther TV, Esther Nenemi. A talk show TV, maybe man married promote we want. Married do promote where do book tian or your way. I can when you gbekere do egbere maybe I can when you for adiagbon wariawe. Wa adiagbon wariawe. I can when you for adiagbon because whatever sigma time, who sigma say tobacco. I can when wa bibi wa wonu. Atasi. Morokindo Kokobiri wife. If you act more. Now everyone what they fair hook up, come and hook me up. Can you hook me up? Esther TV, you don't collect 70 euro from your old fellow brother. Oh, one we mune or we yemu again no. So far no kaya mwigo jinyone. Or no mune not be said there yet. Listen, I want to tell you, sister, are you there? If you believe say now only people go hook you up now you take see husband. You know feel hey, guys, me now sorry. Something happened. Sorry, I don't know what happened. Now they see me so. Okay. So let's go there. Me na no verse, Now something happened. The internet used to do one time because the network not good for her. Code day, Jesus. I too I beg my people, A life in Nairobi, my dear, if you're a woman, you believe say now only hook up, now you take see husband. My dear, you see that the way that they do that hook up, make sure say you go call that woman, or that woman go call you, say, he don't see husband for you. You know, say not be one person they watch that live video, wait for see husband for you. Not be two people they watch that live video. Make sure say that thing where you want, ask that boy instantly. For that day where the woman call you. Because if I want to hook you up with another person now, I must get extra 2 phone. That black boy go there, yeah. Why the sister go there, yeah. You understand? Sister, they talk, oh. What do you want? You go, they talk and the whole world. Wait, that time where I hook you up. They go, they yeah, what you want. If the boy go fear afford them, good. The marriage continue. If you not fear afford them, the boy go look for another person. No need, you go come carry 70 euro, can't give me. I can't chop person money. Them tomorrow now, the same person go still come meet me again. He still need another hook up again. I can't still chop him money. I be wazi, wa wise. Hey, amigo. Menata mugwa. A black in a egbegi on a dear webo. When oje black oti we ya migo, uje black we ya migo, wa arigo ni negbe we no do gwalo we webo. My dear, no matter when arigo ni se, where ti progress because we bonana jina ebo nyawo na. We just all of us we come here, more come be to Ibo collect their money, go back to our country. Now we say we come here, come they play. How can you go live for Ibo? Why you no fit hook up Ghana people? When a sister no we hook up it. Or that for where over Ghana no. What a one with destiny of Ghana people who are in here. So that we ile adio tedo. I make na adu where everywhere bene wo tedo. We are where he my dear all logo. It go hard. Hear me? It go hard. Now wow. Sister hook up. Hook up, hook up. Wajare we hook up. Shagbe idioti. No shagbe idioti. Kakabo. Age my people oh. Erita TV. Why stop a copy rubbish because me believe it well who no meti who copy destiny or who copy destiny mavi. How can your destiny go day miserable? You feel say if you shop on other people money, now you go day okay. You can never be okay. You get some money where person they eat. You get some money where they hook for truth. Yeah. All those ones now we walk when then you go salo boy blah boy. Oh what the man ave blah boy meso. Why we kono one walk baso one why agwalo man or ukuwa up with another person. Do you know how many people where they want to make me hook them up? Me no me who eti uke egbe mefu. I me uke destiny me up. I do uke ma up for what? I can't meti. I know if you dream one day say I'll come up pull live video say na hook up I can't do. For what? Responsible married women. They don't do hook up, man. Have they sent the way a record na ni make me na. Boy na have sent the gyohona. Or he send the gyohona we to hona gele de responsible. Esther, Erita, I went to gele de responsible. When we are going wayage we just 30 something years, I be 38 years, I be 37 years. Enya wuji. I went to gele de responsible, my sister, For real. A recording is more boy na big way. Or that from where we are we are bema. Or that from where you go carry that kokobiri mass down. Play the voice note. Play am for that voice. For that your husband. Then your husband go listen to the voice. So anything we tell you say may you do. Now you go do. Not you sending that voice note to another person. Another person husband. Another person husband. Nahara. Wawe to waro wodo. Okay. Eku go iwero wa atasi. Ugo wa wi here. Ugo wa wi here go. Okpolo I not be open. Ugo you are fertilizing them. Ugo ya afinya me no kwa degberere. Ugo wa wi here. Odame what did ye kan? O mami ru ya temi no we. Ogele dame. How can a woman, responsible woman, blah boy, small picking go send me message. If I get boyfriend, blah boy send me message. Now my boyfriend go listen to her. Not me sending that message to somebody like Ugo. For what? For what? And you now will be the Esther enemy alias Brown Titi. Is that not brown for a life? Is that a life where brown? A life where they miserable and brownness. A life where he. What the fuck? Uma respect a kokobiri no married to because I believe if you respect that kokobiri, I believe say those rubbish where you want to go they do so na no they do one. Who go lads and go na was one row you viere. Is sort of viere. Tell me different things. Men I leave Rita, leave Esther no ro. Sister Esther no Germany no Sister well is Esther no Germany Uowa, Esther Talk Show from Germany. Uowa. Sister, you mumu. Ni me no me gu we gwa season, ma we no we keep it we. Why stop a rubbish in Wauna? Because we are the reason a destiny sister in here. Una reason a destiny ne ugowe ya here, ugowe tin ya agbin na near, or gbin na mani we copy. Ungona mia we ye ka fertilize destiny yane the long time ago. Ugona wetin ya agbin na near. Okay. Oh here gbin na near ona do mia we Esther Talk Show no ro. Esther Talk Show sister. Una mia we what do ma we go we. Or that from where the whole world know say your husband have small now your husband gets one where they will copy where ka down when where ka down when even no that from where we small every other fe one where we view ne guessing eri age okwala warere on 2021 because if I need no wawa my bege o want mugbo una mwe carve Nigeria begeni anything you plant daika now that thing you go reap when the time reach. If the time reach even we are why bari bowe we are fruit we are root o ga plant yevani u ga ni wawe ya me bege ase ave sister u copy ukop. Wa me uke destiny wafu. Wa ukop here. Nye wala diagene Esther Talk Show. Rita TV me ati webu sefi. Rita nye wala diaki nye salobwa. Where he salobwa. He salobwa. Iviagbon. He pay me for now. She wanna see this kind of thing now where they go on now. Una they go to give them power made that they deal with this small picking because they believe say no one go fight for her. My dear, person like me, I know if you see bad thing, may I cool down. If I see bad thing, I go come out too. I'll make sure say I tell you say a bad thing. Because me ma do with me. Me my own way. If you know me, I don't know you. That is it. I don't know you. Hey, Rita. They Ugo, Iyame Banamish, they know what they are doing. Rita and Ugo, they know what they are doing. They get Banamish. There is something that tied them. Because my people, before Ugo go fight for someone, there is something behind it, you know. When people go, they say, I do this for Nigeria, I do this for Nigeria, I do this for Nigeria, my dear. You don't know. Una way they do the group chat. Why when they group chat, Iba? Where is your bonigbe? Emani no winya dekbe milario te Nigeria. Iya mwetrela of milario te Nigeria. When a group chat in wa nu wana rijo bonigbuwa. Nu wahia wo seni aniu. That is it. Nu wahia wo seni aniu. Na so Rita do this. Okay, Rita ya do this wote Nigeria na gigwa. Ogwa idiot. Rita na do this wote Nigeria. They should not talk. Maybe they sick. If the rest people they sick, man. Avialele not they sick. First there. Una left them miserable. Why tell what I will know? Why me what I know what I go No. Rita TV. If you don't want me to face you, you stop that rubbish video where you did do. Hook up you no help anybody. Or help where a minute in where ya say you can when I will copy well live any cocobiri no we marine. Hana. Mani meti maro viedo no viedo. Uko viedori, uke dori. Umeti rio viedo. Because ume karata. Because a character ne cocobiri a toro let's with where. Bini people can never tolerate that rubbish with you. That is why on my way married to Kokobiri them. I dey look una, I dey cover my face. If I dey look una, get the way I tell they look una. Those kind of people now go see come and say they want to advise them where they responsible, where married to the real Bini people. For seriously? Them, you were married to Kokobiri, now you want to hook Avialele with another Bini. Abibini, you want to hook me up with another baby? Because if I dey find hook up, I must tell you the kind of country where I need. If na Nigeria, I'll tell you, say na Benin, na Igbo, na Yoruba, I go tell you the one where I need. Then you can't look for Benin brother like me now for me. Then me now can't go marry. You were married to Kokobiri. Eh? My people, were wise. Me not wise, I beg. Me not wise. No, not the wise. God forbid. Without they not tell na something, na need to wise. How can a lady go just sit down for inside a room, they collect 70 euro for na hand? Every bono for now where Nigerian wow for nothing because many of them they know it. Now January we did so now January, and it hard for many people. It hard for many people, mostly for those where they live for Italy. He hard for many. But their family now, they go don't chop Christmas and New Year money finish. They go need January money. Because of hookup, this one give you 70 euro, that one give you 70 euro. How their family go take some money to eat? How? You wait, be say brother call. I dey do hookup. You wait, be brother. You can't call me Saviolele. Hook me up. I go ask you your past life. How you take this virgin? How many girlfriend you don't friend? Who be that last girl where you friend? Wetin happen? How una tell leave each other? You go tell me the whole world go dey hear am. If na wetin wey be say another girl I want hook you up with, if that one even hear your story, if he go fit enter, he go enter. Not be the one never hear your story. Later they'll come there and ask me, they go, Avialele, oh, now you hook up that girl and that boy. Hey, that boy don't kill her now. Hey, that boy na tifo. Hey, na tifo. Na that girl na shower wait thief born for wisho. When wish born for thief. If you are wise, wise. Waluerere. Them, I can't tell you now, say me, can't fall in love because we don't fall in love for this new year now. I don't fall in love. Yeah, with a black man. Now, I have a white man, I have a black man. But I never do. My black man dey for far place. I have a white man, I have a black man. You understand? Like now, my man now, small thing go come happen between me and my man now. Then, my man will come call you, may you hook her up. You can't go hook Avialele man up with another man. You know, go ask her what happen between him and Avialele. Ogun boy. Ero waya we ukopia. Ere ukopia there. Wagari nyago. You guys are drawing the blood because the more you shop the money that not belongs to you. Everybody they suffer before they get their money. You go see boy, black boy will be say he need relationship. Even to toast, you know go fit toast. My brother, why can't you toast a girl? Why can't you just board and go? You go meet girl like this. Toast her. Many of una wey no fit toast girl. Una go say una friend say, go and toast that girl for me. Una friend go dey fuck then they go. Anybody where you send it, go toast that girl. I love that girl. Toast her. Let that girl know that I love that girl. But my dear, that boy where you say me go toast that girl. Now that girl go love. You see what you will need that girl. You go sit down to the end of your life. You cannot get it. That is why you need to just use that mind. Then bold. Go to that girl. Say that girl what you need. Tell her if the girl want, if the girl go fit, continue. Alagale, if the girl no want continue, may the spear share. My dear, but I go advise you. All those one are go they tell them for hook up, say una papa, he build that near Lucky Gbenedion. If na village your mama day, make sure say you tell the girl, say, my mama day for village. I need someone who will go put head together, not someone that will be buying me marker. Not you not carry the money where you supposed to take wise your head. The money where you supposed to take heed. Many people they go do shoroti. Do you know how much they used to get in that shoroti? Sometimes before they see 10 euro for food day, it is hard for them. It hard. You don't see where somebody go shoro. You don't see this 5 cent, 2 cent, 1 cent where would they throw away for Germany? Yes, so my dear, I go buy something from the supermarket. They can't give me coins of 1 cent, 5 cent. I deliver and there. Carry that receipt. That receipt they important to me that 1 cent. I go live and there. But Italy, you don't see gay. Okonolieke yo. Or bianolo dao yo. Where do they do shorty like this? They go reach us like this. Some go you see now 1 cent, 1 cent now they go give one for shorty. He go arrange that 1 cent till when money go reach to pay us rent. That kind of person now, where they pay us rent of 200 euro, you can't expect now because he need wife. Where you and one guy that stand life. Where you and one guy that do make the bomb picking, you know? Then you can't expect me that person now carry 70 euro inside that 200 euro now. E has rent a hiangba. And no man agba. As Italy be, they go sleep train station. As rent not complete. Landlord or landlady, they no 1 year. They no 1 year. That day, so it must pack a load, come out. Because another person they come, we go collect the key. Now normal. Now normal. But my people, me na the wise. In anything when I tell they make money for this life, me na the wise. Me na the wise. Very important. How can there somebody will be say never even sit down may hook his life up? Because this Rita TV so the woman never hook his life up. He never hook his life up. Give no why we are sending go. The other phone we are sending issue salobua. Send there your phone now. Send there your phone now. Phone I want to WhatsApp and I want to send there your honey. Why in Tana my people please, if you never share, okay? Get back atasi. Okay, measure. You know how many one say me na make bolo. Fatness begun. Atasi. If you agbon wa mo emeso awasin. You need to fear some witches. So these bros don't give us another record though. So what we go do? And to play on. Esther, if me awa ye view no way. Erita bi. Okay, Esther, okay, Rita okba wa ya fekin. U copy mana for the year na no kwa degbo wa. We no we press all degbo wa. Wa me u copy destiny wa u copy re wa gbe.
Iriado. Wadomo. Iriado. Wadomo. Wakada.
Which kind of message be this? See, I'm where I am. Mudia, my brother, where?
Man, no, you go for wa. Iriado. Wadomo. Wakada. Itwe no dieme. Iwe tu no ma be dieme. Itu aya fefe o wa bota o. Me no you go for wa. No ile le do. Na wa ile le ve o we do ino kina pa je ewebu. Me no you go for wa no ba be bon en. Ibi do. O ma la be temata ave gbe yo o temata re a. O ma la be we se no ma. Ave gbe ba se ese o re a. Omani we say na no ya gbon be ese ni une. O ya gbe anywhere na. O dewo ni na gwan ibi do. Ibi do wa we give ni meje me kwa le mi no carton wa ya efe me. So last week he said Erita Ayemie TV no we hook up. Ona mo otariari ona mota pari a platform oge because makabo for life makabo ge but so we mota no we mure we na we gunya bi call you have call you have to dialogue with opinion oge. So if you don't wa down you emi eno so no. Awe awe e copy na okbia. So okbia ni opay ni yen ni. So ene no konya ita we before yen ke ya me no do pay a bright price yen no do mi go jinyon. If you do igbo ni be so no. Okuna ma de me de. O na wa do am go jinyon. Dege no ko zeka zuwe aya. Dege mo we aya. Emi ni na me be copy. O ina hiu. Every so na do gunya do gwaye e matana. O ya fe na call yo. Me call it ni edino ba. E we ya fe ba call yo. And I send it editor a voice record. Where it out a laughing now a web boom or see me yasha. O Ted Doni Makena pa. When on Dawege, I wa milku. I da wa milku, walk out over another one we go union one. But that maka be friend digbine. Now we are understand digbe. Wa dami yo. We call a couple wa, a couple in wow. Be imagine. Inyani we hook up. Iya wa mwe okwo pa kan no bia. No gbe ya. Wo weni ne di hook up. Minya ya we. Ya ga call e Rita Ayemia TV. Why me know? I the phone up dami. Ya call ene. Awege mama abeni no bia e ma la ke abegi e me go e me pe ma la ke mama okay na ma we no ade ige nya de gbe gwa bia we mu ne wo ni di uko nye ni eniyan na mia we e no ka pe ni yen o ma fini we to no ni yen yo copy ni oku na ni edike na ni ge wa gele wa bi pa yo ni di boy Other good way change platform yoga again. Oh, the better way go David women in any decay. I'll ban you over and over, not only over the good way pay, only times 2 money. Many story like that because I need time at them. Amu ko pane okdai neve we ukopoge. Egbe me ni gba. O ma we go na in a pay na. O ma e we bo na enyeje. Because when you now taje ni na gabani oni este ke noje. E ma ni je gbe ya avio ni ne ugwe ni ado ari vigo yo we ukopi no. Iviedo wa dami yo. Be imagine na ikpe ari afia go be no return igi yan ya wo regbe mu ya my need e ri go ni yan o atami ya yan regbe mo ko oku obe ni yan e mi na gba ni yan we e u copy no ma oni no wa pay go we ni no ko odo pa si yan yi o ri igi yan yan o ri go ni o ni no gba na e bo regbe tu go le embarrassment awe o nya regbe gwa ko be mu ni yan ti ya ko be no be mu ni yan no ni the same story no dege etian gba plan e kugbe. Why is woman traffic in every man band keke bonona okpa ya fefe yin so wala o wage matana wage mena waga ese egwa we obodik bia iya je u copy ya bi na go ju epo neri mai baba no pagbe e no game ani aja soso ma roro ni aja send of e we bo ma e u copy o ma no degbe we egeri mai viedu egiji ma iviedu eri eri ma on anya na de ti do bieli man manare e we bo na e u copy mu mi yaria i o ko no ro owodo o wa pa iwodo re o wa call a platform e u copy ba nele mani ya ko nele dita aye me tv eta ya ogo okbia o e kina ya mu ko ri ani hia
Mariera.
wala wage video na wage gwage seke na we ewa wage we egwa ni ya pagbe ba ga ni ya jasen yo ama na we de gbegbe copy we egwebu e ma ni kani ma we copy yan live fin de de ni copy lajan ibi adudu de u copy agi me na igu ko gwan we yan fe de u copy yan ni u copy up na yan ti u copy egbeyan o dokpa kinia o ni ya gbe do store ojo wa no ya tanya ni u copy de kinya ye ti u copy egbeyan o because in ma ke a platform ni na bi gba tin ya call jo de go e bon ni ya si ni na gba ye a platform ya ni ado a call va ela ta merita when I we mi igo bi re o return ne and I said they gave a first record when you go again say the after they give a return. Make a day Sunday we know there. Emily me said the gerita aye me TV. Ona for they go ne mita. Ne baby mama mu yo wa ne gbo gbe ne. Ino ye karoto tetero ya bi bani papo egbe rie efia ege. Enogi buya ugo yi awe live video you know the next Sunday no adayon me evieto e veze ko di me play je eritaye me TV ugo na yawe a live video me wa be rita le veze ko rita na yawe a live in joge inya evanaje eveze ko di me send ginya yana evana yawe live video wala wa tamerita ugo ni ade boyo mekunre awe gboma yo odewata iwe ni aye ami ago be u copy mi dan ya wa ni awe u copy ni yan ogo e iya anya agwali mu na e copy enya ya mi enya ya ro mi igo gegege ewu ya mu na wugo ni 4 hours 3 hours 6 hours the end of the month iya pay ni ya iya mayawu erita ayeme TV o mayawu udawe igi temata me ona mu me first record ona for the go na je first record ni ona ya we live in jo ni enerita ona we mu erita na we mu ona we awe a live video by ibiedo 2020 ugoni no ye live video me ya no je first record me ya we a live video ibiedo wa dam yo 2020 mana ya gbogo we saga ugo call me ni laja ni yen ni buyen we saga 2020 ugo no mu me no je was a first recording me said gerita ye me TV ona a first recording no na ya we live video ga vi no de ugo ya ugo ya won ni we e ma ya fi agbe kan udo so bo wuro me urie tu wa ti me vi saga ena kwen ruwa a saga a level because my master the first record you will go a first record in we ya we a video we me master the go we send the igi e retire me TV no we u copy no ma e send the igi we go we copy we na je a first record me ya we live video no that etu quality viewers we are viewers ni we are there no no nya be gbuwe wo nya be buse we ni viewers when Erita ayemia TV who have got viewers ni we are be mio egwa udi because Erita ayemia mota oji bia kiko gwugwa ni rewe bomana
oya huigo
oya akugo we obik bia
atasi
where is the difference for woman traffic in Erima band ewe ni block na nya do lewe ewe ukopire wala wa geve na wa ga wa ge vara wa ge se gwa ne ma no game ani apagbe be aga ni a jasen yo ni a tope ukop iwe ne rita ya minya ego be ukop no awe ni ago e oga no salubwa o gele owe o devil ogbe meba o de na we ge no awe ukop ni ago e eso wa wo nya ni ago e ibi de inya wa live fan ita o de o ni awe ukop ni ago e la me rita mo ko opa omu ni bia ene eya uwe e ukop ge inya ni do afipe gi ko ma ni re otedo oni no iso ni mewo iku ma no rotedo e ma igi gbagi ma ni ya jogwa ni ya yari oku e na genwe e ma ni ri oku gbogwa na imefe inya enjoy it na o benefit yan e webo ma na oku na awa o dawe ya lo bi nya nwe ni no mo e webo ma na o dano mi go yoku nwe marriage o ya lo bi ke ex boyfriend oge de ke no lade ukop Ritayemia TV lawa o ge no bayo me gbe no de eyan do tami iri agbon na iwe na ge mi ya go mi da ya tama o ga usalo pa gele je mu no salo pa o ve no ten ya ri yobo ni ya ri ni ya e mo no ma bie e mo we you we ya bie rita we akwe ni ya zigo ye ukopia to start with e mo no ma bie oya nya do ya kwingo wa ta ge wu yobo ni ya ri yobo nu lele pe ya fe we ukopia na do pa ekwe aginya talajan we ma we a platform when is so ku inya ma fu ye uyo boni nya no na ri no bo ko e kala jan ya usende account we dia o ma ge Nigeria usende oge e mana yo nya ri e 100 rojo lu de no be kan wa de la jan nya no be kan do you bonu you are eating free money there you are not doing any job e tu we fi oni nya na wu yo bo do you bonu wa pa ga o ke no ma ni ma temata owa wu yo dem ata o mase o ta yaga awa we yo ta secretary
da why not to tell you body borokido
tony de daro o ya gbe 100 ro lelepe gbe 70 ro lelepe o we ge ijobo o we ni ago ya o ga uyo bo we awe ni ago e wa da yo o ge iyo ni rita lajan the platform oge keke bu go comme me ya we la video be eno the first second is send the rita na gele ya mi ya go ige emi eno gba so wa tiyan eno e first second na wa tiyan e bo ni ya to ge yo egbe iyo ni rita wa mi na sunwa we last year ugo na obe push me bo e rita o Korea maybe me ko me ya gba na my brother we no ko me dey serve me oya me call it rita no gwa lo pa mu me a platform ya my brother me ya gwa lo ko ya yo ko na ya ri we o copy you buy me I buy you put for us a relationship in here wo ya to e ma no you copy man o ya be did in no advance na video one even man in your budget awe ni tie na igo ti gwa lo pa mu me e no ma One time maybe I do not Rita last year. Now it's Rita. Igualu kuna wa enic because bia anya right wa zi nyopa anya ti wa zi iyo yan ona we mi odo na we mi odo ya we awemi o we ma o ma se ona ge e go paro omopa ona to ma me ge joge na ita me we ge ejime ona lo call ma we gani with that platform e ge na o kina o ma no ri ino ba ogeme wa dan we o me if you do Rita oge no move your no dan. What unya dey go back to your platform to go and correct yourself. Come ma correct yourself we. Ukata e malibu in platform mi we ni dey. But that we ma correct we we time on. We ba ona hina we e ma ya fe a to ge jon. E platform go ni o wa gele wa dey. Cause o to ge your ma. So Rita na we. Eri na mala re kwanata. Ya na kwanata ma. Complete 2 weeks to dog no wait, almost 1 month plus. Rita, Allah said I can't take me with the WhatsApp 70 euro. Me ya 70 euro you roll in your account, you read the phone number. Me. Hey mama, me there be milk over. We bury a can't give me 70 euro. There will not book on ya what American. Well, it come away near my affair. I pay me loud order over and you know, it's turning out on you. Loud to my damn way, but no. Hey, mamma, oh, go, or it was or give me, I mean, or you may young way. Mary Conata, yard 50 year old way in a last man, cause no more going, no more on minute. Every time I saw in a video, in a send again. That's how we keep at but on your told you make baby no day. My play video ni mayan. Me and Gilly Conata a boy now. Or video in no play. Rita, my play. Rita, and where what you mean, where so where you know our Google. Well, when was similar like Sagawa in there for. So, not do. On our this topic, maybe a Conati. All what again. Me call any of female rock ba ni aguma said any go gin account. So me alaja me di ni ave opo na. Does me here call you now. Nenu go no way ya choose no way give me in a call go. Who go I rita again wa we di e go return. So always 70 euro but 50 euro me teta man. Ogo na okay na. Ni ga go egun awo. Ogo na do gwagwa ala so ina la jani di ginye na okay yo erita na phone ba oge eke ni me we kwa we nya kwa time ma am I free ma cause if to yo but oge no ya tab platform ni nya correct ma and we go back to that platform to go and say truth. So not do ina do call it again now. You not call it again now. And not call it again now. He call it again now.
What disturbing?
Oh, where you so the way one here, we are doing. Because we are doing a cabina, it can be a one. No, yeah. Just Emma, I'm a pit ma. Hello? Mommy, they a verse record. Yes, call Weber. So, ona yo pe ani ka bie na oni ka lu yan ka dump yan na pe ya be fo pa ege na ye dege imu e dread ya na e dread ye wa mu ona mi malako gba ino mu e dread erita ka we time we e geni o malako ma ino mu e dread na mama me ya ti du do ko me ya gbe dread Yeah, they na be dread in the ball. I don't take me serious to call. We are be to member. What in what down your mail? No do. Then again, your malaco piano with dread. It will obey. Mamma getting my make be face to face with you. Okay, now I've got face to face. Mamma make be wow. The right picture again in the Rita sent you on my WhatsApp. I said, oh, go me again. But the Rita I told or private platform me every no there. And now you're all once. I get 10 years. Or where can you give me my face to face? Or what we get equal one. You go away, Mamma, don't know 3 million in ye. He fuck a cake on Rita. Oh, get you your tire platform with me, eh? Ukata get a manipu in ya wow. In ya no day. Rita, put out to my correct take with you again. Is that day of your honey, Nimek and I am me, if you ask. So again, at the matter, Yama make me face to face. Oh, ma. You know where I found Wawia. When you are here, if Yakiku, the Rewipo, ya right by go you work boy. Oh, man. But, Umade will go back to that platform. You are telling me that more while wo. Ibata, no deal. A boy and your mother again, now face to face. Again, later again, your Malako, they are no more dread. Umaya tamia video ni Rita. Menu yata ye e we afa o ni platform gwete. E platform gwani on ya gelete. Oni ru nigi nanu last. Ugonora. Agnofioni ne. E mi gi ori si osa yi mege no ni. Kono ni na oni age okle no e dia egbe o ibu mu gbe o ya egbe dige o ma na gbon yin yi. Eno ma ke yo ha. O go hin no zua a baby mama or stand on that book one equal ye go because me baby mama or mu go yowa baby mama or mu go yowa or stand go outside the babati o go are live video choroti o yawo a de a phone yen a de a phone yen a de phone yen a dupon yen a de pattern yen ri yen ni di yobo choroti o go you live video ga yawo ogime o demato salubwa e me yawo. Take one, if you do, a rima myself. Oh, go now, the first record in Mr. Gerita. I am your TV. On our forward day, Erita now forward there, get go now, your first record in honor will live video. Oh, yeah, will live video, yeah, will live video, my dear time, come. But if any point we get a matter salubai, a poinita. I retired to my way, a call and a colleague with no Denny. Yeah, ya chepo nu nya Rita ku gwe kai kola nu ngwa wa ya momini wa mama e boni ya fe bu wa e wa ya vioi an wa chime vi saga ni ya saga wa ya chime na cha gelele wa ya to ya sota Rita when we no hear wa sunu aw wa we because secretary no ya me 70 ro we ko mi 100 ro o ko we hin ti ma wa we ma wa face gbe we wa ri egbu we hin. Our when he said, Oga Rebani no de Uga Tali Nileme. Only please let us play that verse record. On the phone, no play. No, anyway, my way was face to face. Rita, when no matter who copy Bugwe, but we if you ever had to go very weapon. While I was given a second, if I was ye, near those top who copy Nani a tear boyo. While I even on Farah. Iya do I give you one railway bomana avj money rowa. Iya give you one ikodo ya fun go we hook up. Second woman traffic enya yuma to am no suna no wa ogbawe erima ina oto vetete no je obade woman traffic. Iya do mo e hook up do ya sun o am no suna no wa hook up mo o wa ya fefe dia o. Hook up enya na mo o kwiseno o pe apa o. Ero pa e tota yeni no kwa ukopia na dota ge de agwa la luwe ya u copy ana to mi wege o bia na gwa la luwe venoko vena yegi yomo e copy o retaje mi TV ana mi retaje mi e vese ko na nya play na u give me answer o ge nu mu yo mo o ko ni ma mi ba o we o iwa mi ba o ido we apatata we mudule rita e gani na mi ba o face to face ba we na go face to face ona to e bros and not like you they go o ge ni nuta o ga ma o manuel but o ma mi ba o rita ona ba we buy am viewers rita enu ga e platform go ni to yan agelede to my you where ya target to u zeba mi ma pa mi fa u go na ro master the first record ona the first record na ya we live video
I went to Erita de responsible.
Go va brain va put on ya mu a o by e bleach wani o go when lucky we city me mona oje ti me we live video john ya boy ariwa gbo po ni agbe e bleach ni u bi ni ya la o so ka o ge ma best again ile mu do ibon mefo yo ni we apo mo sa torita o ge wa go bayo mi gbe wa ko ari platform go awe de gbe ki wa nata ima zeg be by e bo eni o ma pa o ma eva ima we ma ya gba le viewers o ma we ro ni igbagbon e ko wa we Erita aye mi TV ita ne bino yaje bino veni ta e jo han aje wa ta mu go be Erita veni adoka wo ge ni amuyo mo iya cheme ya we saga na ma cheme na te saga so mi awa bunya wa buni ni saga fu Erita egbe saga na wo we ni mabu we ne awa we ni secretary no rigo ya koleti ge e u copy ve dedegbe u di ela jan wo dai saga ugo egbe na egbe saga na wo we ni mabu we ne mo pa di wituwa wa evai no mo pa no ugo egbe saga na wo we ne e baby mama we no we mu we yogwa uri ela jan wo dai e saga odo awa ne mo pa o di wituwa ne even why you collect go be u copy mi dai ha if ikori o tayo wodo sigo mo da po be gwe borude u copy Erita ye me TV we gi yobonya odi yobonu ni yan mi a don ro yoboni oyobo uwa we ni yan we na wu yobo we wu because if we so we copy ni e mama na boy yan live fine nele boy mi no ro no Erita go mama take ayo dash no be say na pay already Erita ye me TV je video Erita ye me oge ni Erita ta ye me gbe o ibali mese o play first record me because the money boy e matter Erita oge ni ye die me gbe o wi e moko me Erita na moko me aya avin yo Erita na moko bu mi adewa ma me moko na no o te Erita na mo oko me o ko na te sende e no bare gun me ti ma wo ko ni e ma la me gbe ba o ve yan na face to face maragun agberita oge nu zeba me oga manu o ko ma we ma me gbe ba o face to face o wi ma like o gba no mu dread munya ya ta platform we o imi me ri o ya le Rita o ko ni ma mi me ba o face to face una ba tanu ya me viewers Rita enu we e platform mi we ni nya gwa le dwe ni ya bring it down o ya gele bring down ba fa ba ton down o egbon ya ban wo ke na tayo oviere wu we ya fa to rejo egbe no lo egbede ugo me mal me eche bon we cause o me kuwe yo wo hane we gi ezu when ore a live video mo pa no ata o ka atikia onu a minute enu ya tani e me wo ko zuo ni me wa mi we nu go feto me wa ka wa gbe pa yo ya oni so that a bleach we ni ya fefe no large we egbede we talk to normal man be make na black uga o ina mi o e pa ya ka wa gbe yo wa o
Hello. Guys, I get Nigeria call though. When more listen to this finish, I need to call them.
Maybe Monitala Mohammed, my way, and I a result for. And if you to play, he may be here for me. He would play a me, I like bomb for. Go, baby mama, more you want. de o wa duro ni ave ritaje o yigbe ya muyan o tamame a very record is send the gerita master the Google to start with tinya a very come a planning ugoni agbe the saga 2020 ot me na the 1 o'clock 12 o'clock ni laja wo ni yawe a saga o ma ni omo magumegwan ugona abo me je saga v 2020 DJ Ema yawe saga tinya igwe kwanye do ibosi me edo pe na do no bros wo ma ni ugo wo ma ni agugwa to bo we afefiyan why worry you no larger not to talk rubbish or talk rubbish ne e nu gwa ya fefe no we ni ya we saga with that 2020 e no bu wa ya fe o wa be go me if I be call wa mi nu go high so imagine ya we saga if ya call wa ya call yo oni mi nya we la wako iviedo wadomo wala o wa WhatsApp na wa share wa get sare e wa bo ni an game ni an ja send you copy ni an band you up again the boyfriend and girlfriend me boyfriend and girlfriend again no boyfriend and girlfriend iko ya fe li ale la o la hook up iko ya fe yi ma ego iya ro ma e ro ne e ya wo eso iya ro ma e ro ne iya iwe mama bed that one no get money found another boy give me again e mama I work nene retire we kwa total yeva I work na ya confirm but una pay another money again shawo ati ya jibia do ya hun go ve ndi onia what are we try to say here what I work I was salo bagile ginya una ni we no awe company ogo
The viewers are really I greet all of you now. You know, I have a call and I need to pick my call, very important. So this is my senior brother, very important. Before I call this live video, you know, see the record where this our brother give. You understand? Wabeg ave hook up niya una. And the matter no wa vita geleno. Because again, ikwe so waro since Naya stop women trafficking. Many women they where they do this kind of thing. It's just like me now. If you just wake up one day, them I'll just enter live video, try to test some people because I don't make some arrangement for grant. Like about 2 to 3 gets different voice. Then I can't use them. I can't tell the my brother say, "Avelele don't they do couple? If you need wife, inbox me. My own €100. They must pay. Any woman who Avelele go carry give you, it go wise just the way Avelele wise. That is why they must pay that €100.